DirectAdmin Head Server Technologies are proud to announce the release of DDoS Deflate Interface DirectAdmin version 1. DDoS Deflate Interface comes with an option to block country-wise and port-wise IPs. The new version mitigates DDoS attacks by blocking the IPs when they have exceeded the threshold limit. We have brought the modification to real-time email notifications and enabled control of the IP ban history view. To install the plugin, please log into DirectAdmin panel. Go to Extra Features menu and click on the Plugin Manager option. Click on Add button to add a plugin. Here we have two options for installing the plugin. One is URL method, the other is file method. Once you have chosen one of the above installation methods, you will be asked to provide the DirectAdmin admin password for starting the installation. After providing the password, wait for a few moments. Once the installation completes successfully, the DDoS Deflate Interface DirectAdmin plugin will be listed on the Plugin Manager page. Now we can access the plugin interface directly from Extra Features. Once the plugin is installed and activated, you will see 5 tabs that are displayed on homepage: IP ban history, temporary banned IP, whitelisted IPs, country block list, and settings. Let us look at the Settings tab, wherein you can configure the workings of the plugin. The first option, which is Extension Status, allows you to enable or disable the extension. Once the status is off, the plugin will not monitor or ban any IPs. Next to it, on the right side, we have Normal Mode, Attack Mode, and Custom Mode. Normal Mode and Attack Mode are both preset settings. We recommend using Normal Mode. However, if you believe that you are encountering a DDoS attack, then you can select the Attack Mode. Under this mode, our plugin will scan your server aggressively and will try to prevent the attack at the earliest. Please note that this may cause load on your server. Any changes made in normal mode preset will be reflected under custom mode. Please note that the presets in attack mode cannot be changed. You can only add the notification email in attack mode presets. The second option, ban status, allows you to disable or enable the temporary IP ban option. If it is disabled, then any new IPs from where the DDoS attack is happening won't be denied. However, already banned IPs will remain banned. The third option, firewall, allows you to choose the firewall that you are currently using, such as APF, CSF, or IP tables. The fourth option, execution frequency, provides you an ability sort of like cron, wherein you can manually provide the time interval in minutes which will be used to ban IPs. The fifth option, the connection limit, allows you to provide a threshold limit of maximum connections. Any IPs that cross the connection limit will be temporarily banned. The sixth option, IP ban time, allows you to set the time period for the temporarily blocking of IPs that have crossed the threshold connection limit. The seventh option, history page size, enables you to limit the number of banned IPs reflected on the IP ban history tab. Finally, the last option, wherein a notification email can be entered if you wish to receive email notification of DDoS attacks. In case you don't want to receive notification, leave this field blank. Now let's move on to the next tab, that is Country Block List. Enables you to block any IP originating from the selected countries. This will ignore the connection limit configured by you and directly ban the IPs originating from the selected countries. Coming to the next tab, that is whitelisted IPs. Herein, you can whitelist any IP CIDR by clicking the Add IP button. You can also mention a particular port or leave it as 0 to whitelist all the ports. Our list of whitelisted IPs with the origin country flag is also displayed. In the event that you have multiple whitelisted IPs displayed, you can search for any specific IP by utilizing the search option. If you wish to remove any whitelisted IPs, click on the Remove button shown in the Action column. Now let's move on to the next tab, that is Temporarily Banned IPs. Herein, a list is displayed listing the IPs with the origin country flag that are temporarily banned, and the suggested actions to be taken against the IPs are also shown. You can search for any specific IP by utilizing the search option. Now coming to the final tab, that is IP ban history. On this page, a list of IPs that are temporarily banned is displayed with its corresponding details like country, connection count, total connections, and the date on which the IP was banned. From here, you can either permanently ban or unban the IPs from the Actions tab. In the event that you wish to look at any specific IP, you can utilize the search option to select the IP you need. This pretty much sums up the new improved DDoS Deflate Interface plugin 1.0 for DirectAdmin by Admin Head Server Technologies. For more server products and information about our services, please visit our website www.adminhead.com.